In this video, we'll show you how to check your iPhone for viruses and malware. So if your iPhone has been misbehaving lately, or if you suspect that it is infected by malware, first thing you need to do is go through all your installed apps. You can go through all the app library and see if you find any suspicious apps that you don't remember downloading. If you see one, simply uninstall it as it could be the malware. The next thing you need to do is open the settings app and then go to battery settings. Here you should see all the information about the battery usage by each app. You can go through the previous day's data to find the app that has been using much of your battery. If you see any suspicious app on this list, make sure to uninstall it as well. Now go back to the main settings page and tap on mobile service. Now in this menu, scroll down and here tap on show all. Here you should see a list of apps along with their mobile data usage. If you see any unusual activity here, or if you see any unusual app that you don't remember using, make sure to uninstall it as well, as it could be malware that's stealing your data. Now the last thing you need to do is go to this general settings. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on VPN. Now make sure you don't see any VPN profiles that you have not created yourself. If you see them, make sure to delete them immediately, as they could be stealing your data. Now the last thing you need to do is go to the software update menu and check for any pending software updates, as they can also keep your iPhone protected. So make sure to install any pending updates and your issues should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.